Good afternoon, folks. This is John Norton, and this stock report was supposed to be stock investment report was supposed to be put online yesterday. Unfortunately, I've been really busy, and so today is Tuesday, and it's 4:03 in the afternoon. So I'm just going to do this report, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Well, let's get right into how things are shaping up with the market and business and everything, and for beginning of this week. As we've seen yesterday, we had a significant downturn in the market where people have nervous jitters about the way the Fed is going to increase the discount rate, and also worries about the overall GDP, which is the gross domestic output figures that are due to come out again next month. Plus, you have more things coming down the line, which are coming from the Treasury and the Fed, which are not as good rosy picture as what everyone certainly wishes it to and wants it to be. But today is the reverse trend in which looking at the market share and has increased, and there's an overall feeling of some good things happening today. Most of it's due to presidential election fever that's going on, and overall optimism with the market being average at 248.63 on the Dow Jones presently. You have also NASDAQ is up, and the S&P Standard & Poor's is up on today's markets. If you look globally, you'll see a mixed bag of about 69 points on the Asian market exchange. That's a little bit on the flexibility above the collar, and definitely going to probably head down south as we see the influx of the waiting game being played for the Treasury and the Fed report combined. Those are affecting the broader global markets. Most of the Asian markets in the going downhill. It's not in the tank, but it certainly is going downhill. You have one bright spot, and the rest of it is in the red. If you look at Canada and other the DAX and other broader markets globally, it's basically shake it up. It's a mixed bag, some good, some bad, and this is the way it is going presently. And you'll see as we progress in the week now to my predictions. You'll see as we go on in the week, you look at the chart data, it's pretty conclusive. I think we're going to see a little bit more good times ahead, and with these things, we're going to hammer out some deals on with the Fed on where we're going with the discount rate. I think you'll see that after once we got a clear picture of where the Fed's going with the monetary system, you'll see, depending on whether the Fed decides to increase the rate or not, the discount rate is going to affect the overall global market. Most particularly Wall Street, with investment bankers and traders who are keenly aware of how much it's greatly affects their Gulfstream jet pocketbook. So, as I put it into perspective here on Monday's stock report and stock and investment report, there are some bright spots also, with some corporate figures to joyfully report. We have some expansion with Boeing Airlines, and some nicer things about Verizon to talk about today. Verizon has shown some great expansion capability, and that's reflecting in their overall growth rate of about 4% growth rate, which is pretty decent for a large scale business, corporation to be exact. Boeing is showing some traction against its competitor Airbus, and some other privateer marketers are trying to start up their own airline out there, and I've noticed that too. So overall, we got some good things as far as corporate America, and I think you're going to see the banks chime in too, with this rise in popularity rating, with the way the market's going from Monday onward. If you look at the rest of the way this week's gonna go, as I stated, I think you're gonna see some a little bit of roses in till Friday, and then Friday we're going to have a reality check, because we're going to go a little bit downhill, probably about 50 points downhill. Not too hard on the downhill slide, but it's going to feel a little sting in the wallet there. So this is the way I look at it. You're looking at the chart data and the underpinnings. It's pretty conclusive how this week is gonna shape up. I think we're gonna have some pluses and minuses, but overall, if you're a smart trader, you'll get through this week pretty well. Remember, always buy the cheap stuff. I always am hammering away at that on my blog. By the way, if you like to read my blog, it is on Blogger, and you're welcome to read it. You can search me out on Blogger, and I have more than 30,000 global readership, so it should be pretty self-explanatory how to find me. Just look up my name, John Norton, and look up if you're Norton Thoughts and Modern World. That's my blog. So all you good, wonderful people out there know where to find me. I do write, and I also do publish, and I am now doing this stock video report too. So this is how things are going to work for this week so far, is the way I see it. I'll do a Wednesday and a Friday, as I always do, and I'll post this online. Take care, and everyone have a blessed day. Keep on making money, and make everything a stratosphere money relationship in your life. Have a blessed day. John Norton. Thank you. Take care. Bye.